Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. Under the hood, we have a 5.3-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black and it looks great. We do got that chrome accenting up front here with the GMC logo, and it does also have projector-style headlamps right there, and you do also have some tow hooks down there in case you need to pull anything this season. Coming around the side here, we do have our tires. They are Cooper brand tires, and those rims look very cool as well. They all look very great. You got the Sierra logo there and the 4x4 logo. It does have heated exterior mirrors here, and coming around the back, it is a 5-foot box. You got a little step up right there. You got the Sierra logo, the GMC logo, and you do have your backup camera there. Now, as long as it's unlocked, we just open it up. Lots of room back here. It is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Looks great. There's tons of room to haul stuff around. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock all the doors, 1 press to lock them, and we do have our panic button there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right there, as well as we got a bit of that chrome accenting on this handle. Got a handle here, some storage here, and some more down here with a water bottle holder. These are the controls over the seats to lean it back and whatnot. As well, you do have your trailer, your trailer tow options here, as well as you have your in-cabin light control. You have your light control here, so you're off, you're on, your daytime running lights, and your auto. And then you do have right here your turning signals, as well as your high beam and your windshield wipers. Okay, let's get this started up. So, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now, in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge, we have our engine temperature, our battery, and we also have our oil gauge. In the center there, we do have what speed we are going and the gears we're in, plus how many kilometers it has on it, and also the direction we're facing and all that. You can change that. You just gotta turn this guy here. So you have your trip, you have your fuel range, you got your average fuel economy, tire pressure, remaining oil life, transmission fluid temperature, trailer brake, engine hours, unit. You can change the unit of measurement, and then you can turn the menu off if it is bright or annoying. So in the center here, you do also have your cruise control options on the other side, and your horn, and then your gear shift right here. Focus on that. There we go. You can also change your gears just like that, and you do have a backup camera right there when you are in reverse. Now this is a touchscreen display as well, so you do have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all hanging out right there. Plus you do, if you go back to the main menu, you have your other options. So you have your gallery if you have a device hooked up. You have your projection if you have another device hooked up. You get your settings, your OnStar, and your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. And then down here it does tell you the temperature and the date and all that. Very nice. It looks very nice. You have your skip options here. You have your volume and your off, and then your phone options here if you did have one hooked up, of course. Then you also down here have the climate control. So you have the power here. You have the AC, the circulation, where it's going to blow out of, plus the defrosts and the temperature there. This one is your traction control, and that one is to turn on a light in the back of the vehicle. Down here you have your options over your 4-wheel lock and your 4-wheel low and your 2-wheel all hanging out there. You can switch those guys. In the center here you do have your armrest, which doubles as a storage container, and you got 3 cup holders. Just press that button, open that guy up there. You got a charger there, or a plug-in, sorry, as well as you have a USB plug-in, or 2 USB plug-ins, sorry, and a aux cord plug-in right there. You can close this guy up, open this guy, and you do got another seat just underneath. You got 6 seats all together. And come around here, we do have our glove box. So we got a dual layer glove box, lots of room in there. You can also lock it if you did need to. And then up top here, you do have a sunglass holder, and then you also have the controls over your lights here, and some more on the sides. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do have that same chrome accenting on the handle. You have your controls over your windows here. Handle here, a little bit of storage here, and some more down here. Lots of room back here as well. It is very soft, same as the front, same material, very squishy, very comfortable to sit on. You can also fold this guy down here, and you do have some cup holders and an armrest here if you did want. It does hold 6 people all together if you want to fill it all the way up. You can also lift these seats up, and you got a bit of room under here. You could throw some stuff and keep it out of the way. Then you also have the same thing on the other side, can lift up just the same. And there's our 5.3-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.